Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee logging problem. To do this, first go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Search for your Telegram application. Tap on Telegram, scroll down and tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, go back and go to your Play Store. Search for Telegram. Make sure your Telegram app is updated. After complete your update, search for a VPN. Download your VPN and connect it. After connect the VPN, go back and try again to log in Telegram. Now get the verification code from your email. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.